Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to do doodle art in iPhone. Here are the steps to create doodle art on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for a drawing app like Sketchbook or Taisu Sketches. Tap Get or Install to download the app. Open the app once installed by tapping Open. Grant necessary permissions like storage, microphone if prompted. Tap New Canvas or Create New Project to start a blank drawing. And sometimes, once you open an app like this, there is a new blank canvas. But for now, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Choose to tap New Sketch. Choose your canvas size or stick with the default. Then tap Create. Select a brush tool. Start with a pencil or pen brush for doodling. Choose a color for your first doodle lines by tapping the color panel in the top left corner. And choose your color. Once you choose, tap on the X button. Begin drawing freely on the canvas with your finger or Apple Pencil. Use layers if the app supports them to separate different parts of your doodle. Experiment with different brush types, sizes, and opacity to add depth. Add details, shading, or patterns to enhance your doodle art. Once satisfied, go to the top left menu, tap Export or Share to save your doodle to photos or share on social media. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.